welcome back to my channel. I hope that you and your loved ones are safe, healthy, and doing well during this time. If you're new here, my name is Emily and I love to make videos about fashion, jewelry, lifestyle, and anything magical. Speaking of magical, I have a very magical parcel to open with you all today. I'm really excited. Ogerbeads let me pick out 5 beads to design and review with, and I'm so excited to see them in person. I had a couple on my wish list, so this was just amazing timing. So a huge thank you so much for Ogerbeads for sending me these beads to review and style with, but also to each and every one of you, as I wouldn't have these opportunities without you. So if you're ready to see what is inside, make sure to grab a delicious cup of tea. I'm actually enjoying some gingerbread matcha from DAVIDsTEA. Anyway, without further ado, let's get started and cheers. All right, so I've opened it up and let's pull out the goodies. All right, so here's a little look at what can be inside, but it looks, oh my goodness, they added a cute little pen. Oh my gosh, this is so lovely. And it has Ogerbeads. I don't know if you guys can see it. It has Ogerbeads' name in their font on the pen. Oh my gosh, this is so cute and so handy. I'm always using pens. I love to keep an agenda in a planner, so I'm definitely going to put this to good use. Thank you so much, Ogerbeads. I love that. Okay, and then we have a cute little Ogerbeads pouch. I love their packaging. They wrap their beads in beautiful tissue and it's all like themed out with the Ogerbeads logo, and I just love the little packaging they use. It's so cute. If you didn't know, their logo is a little O with little ogre ears, and it's just so cute. It's so adorable. And they also, oh my gosh, they also sent a catalog. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to see this. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at all of this. Is from their Valentine's Day collection. And this was from their previous winter collection, which is so magical. I actually do have a video about this collection. If you'd like to see it, I'll link it somewhere up on the screen. And also if you do want to see Valentine's Day, I'll link it up on the screen because I had the opportunity to review these and they're so beautiful. And they're so girly and fun. Okay, so let's see what is inside. I'm so excited, you guys. Okay, oh my gosh, these are tied really well. Let me see here if I can open this up. There we go. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, we'll pull those out. Okay, so we have them, see? So they're all wrapped in this beautiful tissue, which is so nice. All right, so let's open this one first. I'm gonna put the other ones on my lap here. Let's see. Oh my goodness, this one is so beautiful. It has beautiful bits of purple, kind of like a navy blue, almost like an auburn. Oh, it's so magical. Oh my gosh, it is so beautiful. So this one I believe is called the Berry Mystic Leaves, and it has been on my wish list for a while. I love the colors. It just reminds me of autumn. It's just so beautiful, and it really does look like little leaves or feathers even, depending on how you look at it. I just love the colors, you guys. It has the beautiful like purpley navy blues with little touches of white. It's beautiful. I love this so much. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to design with this one. Okay, so we have our next one. So let's see what is inside. Oh my goodness, this one is so beautiful too. So this is very similar. As you guys can tell, I'm a huge nature fairy tale lover, so I love that these ones both had a nature influence. They actually look beautiful together. I love that I opened these back to back because they're very similar in design, but in colors are different. So this one has more of the golden, greeny, white colors to it. It is beautiful, and I love the sides actually of both of these. You can see through them, they're very clear, and that beautiful detail going around. They really catch the light. Oh my gosh, I love them. So this one I believe is called Danai, and it is just, doesn't it look like a forest, like you're walking in the forest and you stumble upon some beautiful florals arrangement or leaves, and just kind of like swishing through the forest leaves. I love it so much. Okay, I'm so excited to style with these. I don't think I'll pair these together, but I think they'll look really special on separate bracelets. I'm really excited to design with these. Okay, so we have 3 more to open up. This one is another Apricot Flowers. So I actually already have this in my collection and it is beautiful. You definitely would have seen me show it before in previous Ogerbeads videos and on my Instagram. It is one of my favorites. So it has these beautiful flowers that are on top of the glass and beautiful kind of peachy, pinky, purple, golden notes to it. It really catches the light, and I really wanted another one of these because I kind of have a bracelet design in mind. Usually I have this as a centerpiece, but I'd love it to almost be like kind of spaced out and have two of each to highlight this very special charm. It's called Fairy Tale Twisted Flowers in the center. So I'm really excited to put this to use and style with it. I'll probably be doing that as soon as I'm done filming this video. I'm really excited. So thank you so much, Ogerbeads. I'm really excited to style with this. Okay, we got our next one moving along. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. So I had to order another one of these. This one is called Venetian Armadillo, and I actually already have one, and I decided to order a second one because I love my symmetry, and I didn't have anything that quite matched perfectly with it, so I thought getting a second one would be really good because I can pair them together and style with them. So I love this. It's so cool. It kind of has these kind of coffee, cafe, almost pink, but not quite colors to a little bit of white in it. And it kind of like, what it makes me think of, you guys are probably gonna laugh, but it makes me think of when you're pouring milk into a cup of tea or into a cup of coffee. It just kind of has these beautiful swirl-like details. You might have just heard my husband coming in there, but anyway, I love this. I cannot wait to style with this. It is so cool. And then the last bead I have to share with you guys. I'm so excited. I have looked at this on the website and I've come so close to purchasing it, but I've always been really like debating about like, what does it look like in person? And it looks so cool. I just got to give it a cool look here. So there's these beautiful bubble details that are on top of the glass. It's a beautiful blue color. It almost looks like there's like a tiny touch of green, this green line going down in the center. Very creamy, caramelly, beigey, white notes around the core and the sides of it, which is really cool. And I love the pops of blue. It definitely has more of an ocean earth vibe to it. And oh my gosh, I really love it. It feels so cool too with all the little bubbles on top of it. I love these details. Oh, it's so pretty. So this one is also called Blue Oasis. Oh my gosh, I love it. Look at all the little details on it. Oh my goodness, a huge thank you again to Ogerbeads. I'm so excited to style with these beads. They're so beautiful and I can't even pick a favorite. I love them all. The leaves ones really surprised me, being able to actually see them in person. Like these beads, it's the one thing I always tell people. It's like when you see them online, the photos just don't do them justice. Once you see and hold them in person, they're just little works of art. They're so magical. They're so beautiful. And I'm so excited to design with these. I'm going to do that literally as soon as I stop filming this video. So anyway, if you guys would like to see how I style these, please let me know down below. And I'd also love to know if you have a favorite from these. Which one is your favorite? Anyway, you guys, I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Stay safe, stay healthy. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.